Gusto mo ba ng legit app na kayang mag-earn tulad nito? So, I earned 1,000 pesos for just only 50 days by playing games at pag-answer lang ng surveys. So guys, before ko sabihin yung pangalan ng app na to, so you may comment, like, and subscribe at my YouTube video. At meron din akong 100 pesos giveaway sa isang lucky commenter or sa isang lucky viewer natin. And guys, ito lang yung ating mechanics. So, kung makikita nyo yung link ko, kindly download it. Mag-download kayo, tapos utilize niyo yung apps. And once it is done, mag-comment kayo doon sa aking comment section. Uh, at saka ilagay nyo din yung inyong details dahil sa next video ko, ilalagay ko yung winner ng ating giveaway. Kung nasusundan nyo yung ating previous post, ay yung app na ito is one of the best apps na nakikita ko sa Play Store. Tandaan ninyo, sa Play Store lang ito nakukuha. Ito yung ating RP Rewards. So si RP Rewards is one of the best games or get-to-paid games sa Play Store dahil kaya mo ditong mag-earn daily without referrals. So referrals is optional, pero ang kagandahan lang dito, kapag nag-sign in ka sa isang may referral link, ay makakakuha ka ng 3,000 sign-up bonus. Unlike na i-download mo siya sa Play Store na magsisimula ka from scratch. So guys, kung nakikita niyo itong app na to, i-download nyo siya, and then kung makikita nyo yung playtime, so i-open niyo at may makikita kayong list of games. So, to qualify or to access all features, so kailangan ninyong mag-download ng isang game sa playtime. So, any game sa playtime, and every download nyo ng game sa playtime ay magkakaroon kayo ng scratch card. So, these scratch cards can give you points na magiging RPs ninyo. And meron tayong 3 types of apps dito. So, you need to complete levels. Merong one-time downloads and also yung pay per minute. So, guys, ito yung pinakamaganda sa lahat, yung pay per minute. Kasi sa pay per minute, it gives you points habang lang naka-open or naka-display lang yung app. So, meron din tayo dito survey offers. So, actually, 5 yung survey offers nila. Pero, suggestion, sa survey offers, ang madalas yung kunin yung nasa Theorem Reach at saka sa BitLabs, yung first at second. Kasi mas madali yung surveys nila doon. And at the same time, turuan ko kayo ng mga techniques or tricks para at least hindi kayo dali-dali mas-screen out sa surveys. I know, personal ko lang tong technique, pero it could help for you. So, ang unang natin gagawin is kailangan yung age niyo is nasa bracket ng working 25 to 30. Tapos, piliin yung 4 na lugar. Metro Manila, Cebu, Davao, or or lagay natin yung mga cities din sa Metro Manila. So, any lang doon. And then, dapat you have at least 1 to 2 children. Kasi yung mga surveys natin, mga products yan. Mga products, mga services. And, meron kang stable income of 60,000 to 80,000 a month. So, tinry ko yung ganitong technique and hindi talaga ako na-screen out. So, other parts ng app na to is yung top offers. So, sa top offers, disregard nyo yung top offers kasi hindi talaga siya nagbibigay ng rewards. Kasi nag-try na ako ng mga gawain dyan, so hindi siya nag-reflect. Instead of top offers, pumunta kayo sa AppTask. Sa AppTask, meron tayong 5 sites na nagbibigay ng or nagli-link sa mga different types of games. So, suggestion ko dyan is yung AF. Kasi si AF, meron siyang per minute na rewards. So, kailangan mo na naka-open yung app and then papasok lang yung points sa inyong account. And then, kung nag-invite kayo ng friends nyo, so makukuha kayong invitation points ng 1,500 RPs. Pero yung friend na in-invite niyo ay makakakuha ng 3,000 RP sign-up bonus. And then, for our withdrawal, it depends on the country. So, actually, ma-access pala din siya sa Indonesia and other countries. So, meron din silang sariling mga channels to get their cash outs. But here in the Philippines, meron tayong Maya, meron tayong Grab, Razer Gold, Lazada vouchers. We have your GCash, yung pinaka-most common, and pwede ding mobile load. So, meron tayong mga point system. And guys, for GCash, papakita ko sa inyo, 3,900 points is 10 pesos. So, 10,000 points is 50 pesos and 17,800 points is 100 pesos. And guys, you are only allowed to withdraw 1 times a day only. So, meaning, hindi ganun na hindi magbabayad si app sa atin kahit may points tayo. It's because sustainable yung kanyang structure. So, meaning, from this amount, you can withdraw this, and then next day ka pa makaka-withdraw with the same amount. So, hindi siya masyadong malulugi yung company at saka sure na sure tayong babayaran tayo ni RP. So, if you have any questions, feel free to down to the comments. And, guys, if you already remember yung sinabi ko kanina na mag-download kayo dyan sa aking link and mag-download kayo ng 1 game sa Playtime. And kung nagawa nyo yun, so mag-comment kayo dyan sa aking comment section and fill out your details. And kukuha ako ng winner sa comments. So anyways, click the subscribe button if you want an update. See you guys!